Welcome to Profit Insights, where every episode delivers the pulse of the financial world with clarity and precision. I'm your host, Dusty, guiding you through the market's latest twists and turns. So let's dive right into the market overview. On Friday, October 24th, 2025, U.S. stocks soared to new highs. The S&P 500 added 0.8%, closing at 6,791.69. The Dow Jones rose by 1%, and the Nasdaq gained 1.1%. Even the Russell 2000 joined the rally. It's been a stellar week, driven largely by softer-than-expected inflation data that reassured many investors. Inflation seems to be easing, even though it's still elevated. The Labor Department's recent report showed a slight rise, but it was below what economists had predicted. This news has sparked hopes for further action from the Federal Reserve, with traders anticipating possible rate cuts as early as next week's meeting. Turning to corporate earnings, it's been a season of surprises. A whopping 87% of S&P 500 companies exceeded expectations for the third quarter. Intel's strong performance uplifted the chip-making sector, and Ford saw a significant jump thanks to its electric vehicles. However, not all is rosy. Some companies like Deckers Outdoor face declines due to cautious guidance. Now on to financial trends. The expectation of rate cuts is solidifying. The markets are predicting a high probability of a 25 basis point cut at the Fed's forthcoming meeting, and possibly more by March 2026. Treasury yields have adjusted accordingly, while gold prices have eased slightly but remain high amidst improving equity sentiment. Across the pond, European markets have mirrored this strength. The Stoxx 600 and the FTSE 100 both reached record levels, spurred by positive data from the U.S. and hopes for softening trade tensions with China. Looking ahead, the week of October 27th promises to be action-packed. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft are set to report earnings, alongside consumer staples and energy companies. Plus, the Fed's decision later in the week could set the tone for the months to come. Adding to this, a key meeting between President Trump and President Xi Jinping might influence the trade landscape significantly. Before we wrap up, let me share a little investment insight. In times of volatility, keep a close eye on tech and energy sectors. These industries often drive innovation and show resilience in dynamic economic climates. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in to Profit Insights. Remember, when the dust settles, only the truth remains. Stay informed, and until next time, keep those investments insightful.